Well, we bought a house that was built back in 2005. We are the second owners, and even though we loved the house, we thought that there were problems with the heating and cooling because it was just uncomfortable during the summertime. My wife and I were determined to get new windows. We thought that that was the answer because we'd heard advertisements, we'd seen people talk about windows are very important in a house. So we were planning to spend between $10,000 and $11,000 for windows for 2 rooms. We called our energy company and asked them if we could get an energy audit done, and they recommended Weatherization Experts, said that they were some of the best in the business. But when Weatherization Experts came out, they said, well, we believe that your windows are actually quite good. As it turns out, we spent almost exactly half the money on the reinsulating and refurbishing some of the problems that we had with the HVAC, and that day, when they walked out that day, we could tell a huge difference in the comfort of the house. And 3 days later, we realized that we were keeping the house 4 to 5 degrees cooler than we ever had before, but yet we were 15 to 25 kilowatts less per day in cost. We saved between $50 to $70 a month. Over time, that you recoup your investment pretty quick.
We have a little slogan around there: we treat your home as if it was our own. We do insulation, we repair ductwork on existing homes, offer a variety of other weatherization, air stopping measures that we take, and we also work in the new construction market. We offer Angie's List members a 5% discount. We give a 5% discount for military and 5% for seniors, and that's a stackable discount. So if you qualify for all 3 of those categories, you would get a full 15%. You can find out more information about our company by visiting weatherizationexperts.net, or you can call our office at 392-3764.